Hello ladies, hello gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today we will perform technical analysis on the cryptocurrency called SingularityNET. Think of it like a giant network of super smart AI programs, all working together to solve problems and create new things. That's the basic idea behind SingularityNET. Is it a platform that connects people who create super smart AI programs with people who need those programs to do cool stuff, like we are doing today with our website. The way it works, imagine an app store, but instead of game and stuff, it has all sorts of AI programs for different tasks. Someone creates a program that can write amazing music, puts it on SingularityNET, and then a music can use it to write their next hit song. Well, AGIX is the currency used on SingularityNET. If you want to use a super smart AI program, you need to pay in AGIX. The more people use SingularityNET, the more valuable AGIX could become. Kind of like how popular game special coins become more valuable if everyone wants them. And for those of you that are not aware, SingularityNET recently announced a fusion with Fetch AI and Ocean Protocol. This could make the network even stronger and more attractive to users, potentially increasing the value of AGIX. But we are not here to discuss fundamentals, we are here to do technical analysis, and not we, the AI that we developed. However, we will upload a picture on the website and we will get a result. Basically, we will analyze the result. We will do a technical analysis over the technical analysis done by the AI. And let's jump into it. So we have here the AGIX daily time frame, because honestly I want to see a potential price. Let's see if we will have any. I assume the AI will recognize this one. The main support and resistance levels. You know what? I'm curious if I would add Fibonacci retracement, if that will change in any way the way AI will read a chart. Let's download the picture. Let's jump into the website. We are here on the website. We click analyze now. Then under the traders option, we pick one time frame. We also have the three time frames, a high time frame, a higher, intermediate, and lower time frame. This option offers us the possibility to have a trade setup with take profit and stop loss, more accurate. All right, we upload the picture, we click analyze now, and we wait. I would like to remind you that there are other options on the website. The other option is called, right here, is called investors, because it's mainly used by investors in a way that if you want to invest in a coin, but if you are not fully aware of what to do, if you want an analysis done using definitely a chart but also data, this option could work for you. All right, we have the result. Let's see this. Let me read the summary a little bit. Daily chart shows consecutive periodic volatility, previous bullish, now consolidation above 0. Fibonacci retracement, support Fibonacci 0.5, reinforced by moving average. We have a price here, resistance, okay, RSI 57 volume, exit. We have a trade set up here. I'm curious if it's good. Support, okay, break below level with exit below. Okay, so it's just saying that we have opportunities to go long or short. All right, wait for clear trend confirmation, set buy orders above 1 point. Okay, entry. We have an entry here. We'll check that now. Let's jump in the chart and I will read what AI said. So let's begin. Pair shows a daily time frame chart with recent market activity. The market conditions suggest a level of consolidation as the price appears to fluctuate within a certain range. Alright, until this point I will make the assumption that is referring at it's going from there to here. Volatility appears periodic with spikes in trading volume indicating periods of increased trading activity. Yeah, here we had, but we also had here something, I mean after a pause in the market interest we had something here, which is very curious because all this volume on the left is missing here on the right. Even AGIX just started to become something important, and I have a feeling that we'll see this on the sky. The chart illustrates the previous bullish trend where the price surged past the exponential moving average, but following that there has been a retracement. You mean this part, right? And then the retracement right here. Okay. The price is currently consolidating above 0.5 Fibonacci. Let me see that. Not yet above that, but we will find out in the next few days. Which seems to be active as a support level. I would say that is more resistance, and but there are probabilities that this resistance to become support. Key support level 0.5 Fibonacci, approximately 0.1041. Okay, additionally reinforced by the 200 moving averages. Where? 200? That's 50. So this one is 50, it's not 200. But I get a point. Indeed, we have two factors that influence the price here, and we just break above this, and if we will have a candle that will close above 0.5, that's a bullish, strong bullish sign. Relative straight index showing a reading slight above the midpoint around 57. Let me close this part. Okay, now we have focus on what we want. So around 57, suggesting neither overbought nor oversold condition. Volume shows erratic spikes, which could indicate sudden interest or disinterest in market at particular price level. No clear chart pattern is immediately discernible from the current overview. However, if the price progress pattern could potentially develop. Based on the chart, if the price maintains support at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, it could potentially be an entry point for a long position. Conversely, should the price break below this support convincingly, it could signal a short opportunity with an exit point below the 200 moving average. So I would agree with that, but there is something that I want to add. So here, if we break above and we probably do a retest, then I will think for a long position. Or even if I don't see the retest, if I see break above together with high volume, not like it's right now, I want to see a spike there, some signs that more people are buying. So if the volume is not there, I'm waiting for a retracement. Otherwise I can take a long trade once break above that. And the other option is, if this one will be a resistance, then I'm looking for probably for short positions. Yeah, and the way I will look for that, I'll see if we have any let me put it like this, any divergence. So see here this point and here this point, there is no divergence, not yet, which could be a sign that the price will still go up there. Otherwise, I will do even more. I'll go with a lower time frame, because on the lower time frame we see here that we have a trend. All right, there are two small trends. We can see this part here and this one here. Now, if this one will not be a strong support area, I'll definitely check this one here. And the reason why is because not that I only have the moving averages, but I also have the trend line that we draw. So there are kind of 3 points of interest that might act as support. So only when the price will break through this, I will look for short position. Alright, let's get back. The current market sentiment seems to be neutral to slightly bullish, considering the price stability above 200 moving averages and RSI being higher than 50. Okay, agree with this suggestion. A conservative approach would be to wait for a clear trend confirmation either above the nearest resistance level or below the primary support before taking a position. I just made a comment, yeah. Traders might see buy orders above 1463. 1463. Well, that's correct, because after this point it's price discovery, so people will start trading, getting long position. Okay, for a bullish breakout or look for sell opportunity should be price below 1041. 1041. Yeah, what I said. So if we will start to create any kind of pattern that tells us, or even simple things like lower highs, we can take short position. The market is in a state of indecision with potential for either an upward breakout or a downward correction. Monitoring the support and resistance level alongside volume RSI behavioring for confirmation of direction would be advisable. Alright. Anyway, the option 1 time frame is there to have a technical analysis done, not to develop a trade setup. So it's meant to check trends, chart patterns, support, resistance, or key levels, so you understand if it's a bullish or a bearish momentum, which means if it's a time to buy or if it's a time to sell. For a better trading setup, I would suggest you go with the 3 time frames. Let me prove that to you. We click analyze and we have it. Overall market condition uptrend since late March, moderate volatility, interest in the market but not overwhelming strong. Daily time frame, strong uptrend with recent higher highs and higher lows, notable resistance around 0.95. Let's check the chart. So indeed we had higher highs, higher lows until this point. Resistance at 0.95, somewhere here. For our time frames, recent breakout above 0.90 resistance turned support. RSI in turning overbought territory at 67. Higher volatility in price action. Let's see. Okay, so DI saw this as resistance, and mentioned the break above it. And also notice the overbought area. 1 time frame bullish trend with price above moving averages, consistent pattern of higher highs and higher lows around. RSI around 67. Yeah, we have overbought. We have higher highs, higher lows. Now what we can notice is that we have here a divergence. Chart pattern, upward momentum evidence, support around 0.70. Here. Alright, this one, it's taking support zone, okay. So DI is not considering this zone 0.782. Why would that be? Resistance 0.95. Okay, that's wrong, 0.95. We are above it. Let's see the entry point and risk reward. Entry on retracement to 0.90. So 090 is somewhere here, entry right here, which makes sense because we also have the RSI divergence, which could make the price go down. And here it's a very important point. It's also 0.9, it's psychological, but also we have the moving averages, and probably it's also a golden pocket around that zone. Yeah, indeed, we have a golden pocket. Stop loss at 0.88. All right, so entries here, stop loss there. Take profit target 0.95, 1 or 110. So 0.95, that would be 1. So take profit right here, then 1, then 1.1. I see this as a better trade setup, and even though you have to look for a chart pattern confirmation or for an entry point, a candle pattern confirmation. And the take profit I will I'll put it here, the first one and the second one here. I will not stop right here. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for staying here until this point. I wish you an amazing day.